Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here's I'm your teacher Iman Shehzadi with the fourth lecture of the chapter Formulas in Excel 2013. In this lecture we will learn about text formulas. That what is a text formula? A text string or a text value is a sequence of characters on which operations like subtraction, division or multiplication cannot be performed. As it is understood by its name, the text formula is a text value which is a sequence of characters on which operations like subtraction, division or multiplication cannot be performed. So what we can do to get the result? The text strings can be joined together. This is called concatenation. We use ampersand character or operator to join strings. And to get the result from these text values, we join these text strings or characters, and this is called concatenation. And the operator which is used to join these characters is ampersand. You can see its symbol here. Now let's see in this sheet. Two different characters are written in different cells, and to get the message or information from these characters, we enter the formula. First character is ampersand character. I have used ampersand character to join these strings, and by pressing enter you can get the message that is respect elders. Here in this case again you can see again I have used ampersand character, and we get the result that is work hard. We can also apply these text values in worksheets which have a large data. You can see in this simple sheet roll number is given, names of students is given, and their grade is given. Now let's see what happens when I will enter the formula. It will display a sentence with information from the table. Okay, let's see. Now by pressing enter we can get the result, and you can see ampersand characters to join these strings. Yes, we get the result that Meera, whose roll number is 1, got the grade A1. Now by pressing, now with the help of fill handle you can get the information about the rest of the students too. You can see We can say that using a formula is faster and more accurate than typing each sentence one at a time. Now let's talk about some mathematical operators used in formulas. You can see these mathematical operations and their order of evaluation. Exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. You can see any operation contained in brackets will be carried out first, followed by an exponent. You can see 3 plus 2 is 5 and its power 2, the result is 25. Here you can see that multiplication and division have equal importance, that whichever will appear in the formula first will be carried out first from left to right. Again, addition and subtraction have equal importance of evaluation, that whichever will appear in the formula first from left to right will be carried out first. Sometimes what happens, a formula or a cell with a formula displays an error result rather than a proper value. When it happens when a formula has a problem and Excel cannot process it. You can see these type of errors and their reasons. If such type of error, you can see hashes is given, it means the column is not wide enough to display the value, that your value is bigger than the width of your column. Division by 0, that is your the formula contains an invalid operation, that is you are dividing by 0. And A means that the formula uses a value that is not available in the sheet. Number means a problem with a value. For example, a negative number is specified when a positive number is expected, that you are expecting a positive value but it displays a negative one. Reference, the formula refers to a cell that does not exist, means to say that the cell has been deleted from the worksheet. And the last one, that is the value, means that the formula has an invalid argument, means to say that something has gone wrong while typing the formula. I hope you will understand today's lecture. Read your book carefully and go through these lectures to understand more. Thank you.